guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have got another skating video. I'm gonna share with you guys the top 5 mistakes you make that make your spins travel, and I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks to make your spins center better. So if you're ready, let's go. So for me, the number one mistake that people make, especially in upright spins, is to pull in way too fast and not pulling in with your arms and legs gradually at the same time, but they're kind of separate. As you can see here, I am really pulling my legs super tight and my arms just can't really catch up, and it's just gonna lead me to travel a lot, and I'm not gonna feel imbalance. And it's also with other upright spins, when you pull way too fast, your leg can be in Biellmann, can be an I spin. And as you can see here, I'm pulling way too fast, my body can't take it, and it throws the whole spin off of balance. So here we can take a look on how to properly pull up. Here you can see that I gradually, it is a fast pull in, but my body is ready for it. And here you can see it on the back scratch as well. I'm waiting and then I'm pulling in gradually, arms and legs together, and it's just gonna make the spin center better. You want to view your spins as something very sensitive. You want to make the least amount of change in your body, and you want to just treat it nicely. So by pulling in gradually, you're treating it nicely. If you're pulling in super hectically, then it's just gonna make your spin very upset in a way, and it's just gonna throw it off balance and you won't be able to hold it very well. So another problem I see is rushing the entrance. This is gonna make your spin so out of balance if you don't let your whole body catch up with you and you gradually go into the spin. Pulling your arms too fast into the spin, or kicking your legs somewhere, or your body is dropping too low, or you just put way too much force, you try too hard, and it's just gonna throw the whole spin off. And here you can see I gradually went into the spin, my form was nice, and I just let it happen. I didn't force it to happen. And the third problem, it's very similar as the second one. It is still rushing and hectically changing in your spin position. So here you can see I already rushed the beginning, I rushed everything else, and then I hopped into this last position and it just wasn't in balance. And here you can see that I fixed it a little bit. So it is possible to fix a spin if it's going wrong, obviously. But here you can see I kind of messed it up, pulled way too fast at the end, but the beginning was nice. But what you wanna make sure you're doing is changing your positions nice and gradually, giving your body time. You don't want to do it hectically and throwing the whole spin off balance. Like I said, you want to treat it with care, give it a little TLC, and yeah. So here you can see again, when I do a lot of changes, I'm keeping my position, I'm keeping the form, and I'm just changing gradually. I'm not hectically pulling my leg, I'm not hectically pulling my body somewhere. I'm giving myself time, and then it's nice and centered. For the fourth problem, it is changing your body position, like dropping your leg, dropping your arms, dropping your body, and just not keeping your form. So here you can see I'm dropping my leg in the layback and it's making it travel. And what you want to do here, for example, is keeping the leg up. I'm not changing, and when I do change the leg, it is nice and slow and gradual, keeping my balance. For the final mistake, I want to point out how important blade position is. Spinning in the middle of your blade or on your heel or on the toe will not allow your spin to center or be fast. What is important is to spin under the toe. You want to keep your balance there. You don't want to put your balance anywhere else unless you're doing edge change. And here you can see again, I'm spinning under it. I'm not going over, and I'm not spinning on my heel or in the middle of my blade. And this is just going to keep the balance. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know if you want to see some more tutorials on the ice. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, blah blah blah, press that bell button, and follow me on Instagram at sofa.bar. So yeah, until next time, you guys, bye!